Thanks again to everybody for taking a little time out of their day to learn more about our managed lifecycle platform capabilities. And we're going to be going a little bit deeper into some functions that exist for both the managed lifecycle reseller module and the managed lifecycle enterprise module. And it's called System Accessories. And these are all of the compatible devices that are published by the manufacturer in support of a system or a larger device, like a server or a network switch, for example. So along with those devices, a lot of peripherals come, adapters, memory, disk drives, power supplies, whatever it might be. And so resellers and brokers are constantly looking for the items that go along with larger systems, and it can be a little bit hard to find those sometimes. So here within our search for parts section, which allows you to query the database for any sort of part numbers, you've got your 5 most recent searches. You've got your matching part search. So just so you know, there's another tutorial specific on how to use matching part search, which is a really handy feature. But what I can do is I can find one of my 5 most recent searches, and I'll just drill into that right now. So I'll click on this Polycom BSX 500 device, which I believe is a video conferencing device. So now I've got all my different details. We update this information every single day. We pull the list price. We pull lifecycle milestones. You can see this is actually an end of support device from Poly. But right here within the System Accessory, I want to click that button. It will open up a new browser, and that browser will have all of the compatible items published by that manufacturer in support of that device. So for this video conferencing device, you got a variety of different headsets and microphones. You've got modems, network cables, system and power cables, and accessories in general. So from here, I can actually click in to view the details of, for example, headsets and microphones, and I can find all of the different items that are available. You can see even this is older and discontinued and not supported, right? So the last known list price was $1,195 in the market. So if I come back here, I'm coming back to my search for parts section, and I'm actually seeing something more interesting, which is like an HP server. So ProLiant DL360 G6 server. This is the root part number published by the manufacturer. So I can go into that specific part number. Again, I can find the system accessories. And here are all of the HP compatible devices that go with the DL360 server, all of their part numbers, down into licenses, which they're calling applications, software. You've got your disk drives. You've got all of your hard drives, right? Everything that's compatible with this system. And if you find the specific hard drives you're looking for, again, you can go into those details and you can get all of the different market detail associated with those specific items. You also have the option to take these system accessories and export them for your own use. So if you're trying to create your own parts list or load your own database with information, once you're here within System Accessories, you just click CSV Export, and all of that detail, all of the part numbers, all of the product descriptions and list prices will be made available to you right here. And that looks a little something like this. Okay, so we make it very easy to navigate, to find the information you're looking for, or export the detail for your own use. One final example, I'll come here to, your typical Cisco switch, put in my 3850. I can find that specific device that I'm looking for, scrolling down through all the different 3850 model numbers. Again, select the one that I need, see all of the different parts or market detail as required, or go immediately to System Accessories. I can scroll through all these different part numbers. Again, product licensing, applications, maintenance support, network adapters, right? Everything that goes along with a WSC 3850-24XU-S. And again, if I want to use this for my own purposes, I can just click the CSV Export button, and I can make that information accessible in my own spreadsheet. And there it is. So just a quick tutorial today on how to use our System Accessories capability. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks very much.